Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this really nice fall inspired eyeshadow look. So if you like what you see and want to learn how to recreate it, just keep on watching. I'm first going to prime my eyes using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. Then I'm going to blend that out using my Real Techniques concealer brush, and then I'm going to set it all in place using my Coty Airspun translucent powder. Using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession Palette, I'm going to apply this shade and use it as my brow bone highlight, and I'm applying it using my e.l.f. concealer brush. Now going in with this shade and using my e.l.f. blending brush, I'm going to apply this right below my brow bone highlight, and this is going to act as my transition shade. Now going in with this shade, I'm going to use my Colourpop Tapered blending brush, and I'm going to deposit this color right below my transition shade, as well as use small circular motions as well as windshield wiper motions to help blend this color out. I'm going to use this color to deepen up my crease, and I'm using my e.l.f. crease brush to do so. The reason I'm using this one is because it's smaller. It helps to deposit the most intensity from the shade directly where I want it to be. And then I'm going to follow it up using my Wet n Wild Fluffy Crease Brush to properly blend it out so that I keep that seamless gradient that I'm looking for. I'm now going back in with that previous shade to help redeposit any of the color that I may have lost during the blending process, as well as to help buff out the harsh edges of the color that I just put in my crease. And I'm just going right back in with my brow bone highlight before I go back in with that original transition shade, and that's to make sure that my brow bone perfectly marries into my above crease color to keep that gradient going. Now to carve out my lid, I'm using the NYX white eyeshadow base and the Daler and Rowney No. 4 brush. I'm applying it to the center of my lid and then looking up before I start to blend it all across the lid. And the reason that I did that trick of looking up is because it allowed the eyeshadow base to transfer either into my natural crease or slightly above it, depending on if you're like me and have extra eyelid space, or if you're someone that has hooded eyes. It helps to create a guide so that you can perfectly carve out your lid. Now I'm going to use my finger to help pat out the concealer on the outer corner of my lid, and then I'm going right back in with that same crease color and that same small crease brush, and I'm going to apply that to my outer V. Now I'm going to be taking this shade and patting it onto the inner lid using my Morphe M156 brush, and for this whole process of the lid shades, I'm going to be using the same brush. I'm just going to be wiping it off in between each color. Then I'm going to follow up by placing that yellow shade in the center of the lid, and then I'm going to place that orange shade right by the brown. I'm just going to go back and forth and alternate between each shade and slightly overlap the colors to make sure that there's a seamless transition between them all. After I've concealed, blended, and set my lower lash line, I'm going to use the Essence Cocoa Bean Gel Liner to line my waterline. Using that same brown shade that I used in my crease, I'm going in with my Morphe Flat Concealer Brush from the Islay brush set, and I'm going to apply that as close to my lower lash line as possible and smudge that out. I'm coating my top and bottom lashes using the Lancome Definicils Mascara. Then I'm going to apply the LenaLashes in the style Monroe. I use my e.l.f. eyelash curlers to make these lashes a little bit more flirty, and then I applied that gold that I use as my brow bone highlight for my inner corner highlight, and this is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your notifications, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.